The Teva Remembrance. This is a very interesting slipper that you can use for everyday comfort in the bedroom or just walking outside. So why should you get one of those? First off, they're very good, especially if you find them on sale. The second thing about this is that, yeah, it smells good. Above all, look at this. This is really cool. So for people who like it, there's two ways for you to wear this. One way is like this, another way is just like that. And it makes it so much easier to put your feet in and enjoy the comfort of the indoor wearing a shoe. The next thing about this is the actual material itself. So usually you get material that is not so good, but this one is less likely to rip from the material is well made. It also has very soft covering over here as well, so it's soft for your feet, but also it's warm inside too, and it retains the heat. That's what you want in a slipper. You really don't need too many things that's gonna work well for it. First off, right here, a lot of times you go ahead and you bump into things. So this will prevent you from getting your feet hurt in a slipper. It's something that even the basic shoes, and specifically the basic slippers, usually don't have on here, and this one does. Now, yeah, it lacks some support at the top, but that's usually with those shoes. But that's not bad, because if you drop something while you are doing kettlebell, well, at least you have some cushion for you to go ahead and not get hurt. Also, on the bottom, you can see those tracks over here. So not only it is nice for your feet, it also makes it easy for you to wear this. And you can see the entire style is just awesome all around, all together. This one, it really looks good. Now you can choose different kind of colors and kind of combinations and styles as well. Now, if the men's version doesn't work for you, you can find a female version that you can up the size, just 1.5 size larger, or maybe 2 sizes bigger, and you can get that version instead. They're actually identical, the male and the female one. It's all about this size, and that's about it. And the colors scheme as well, so you can save some money by going for the female version, and vice versa as too. You know, if you like the colors with the male version, you can do that. It's basically almost a unisex shoe. The only difference between them is the color code, and you can see over here how it looks like. And on the bottom, really nice. This gives you a lot of support and a lot of cushion as well. Now the next test is the on feet test. Let's go ahead and check it out and see how well this goes on the feet. Those shoes are just awesome. First of all, I really like the way they actually feel on the feet, but above all, take a look at how they look. They look really cool, by the way. So I do like the way they feel on the feet. Sometimes the shoes just not right, but the slippers are just made correctly in every sense of the way. So first off, is one thing I do like about them is that on the back, you can choose just put them on with this or without. So putting this in gives you this extra grip. So sometimes the slippers are hard to put on, well those give you this, and it makes it so much easier for you to keep them on the feet at all times. Next thing is they feel really comfortable right out of the box, fit well as well. Now they are the same size as you get them, so don't go ahead and change the size. You'll be totally fine with whatever size you're comfortable wearing. The grips are awesome as well. See the grip? Pretty good. Next thing is the cushion in them. The cushion is pretty good as well. Now, lastly, freedom of movement. Let's go ahead and show you. So totally freedom of movement that does exist with those shoes. And the jump test. I don't feel the shock. It's good. Not bad. You can definitely jump with them in case you want to. They're not made for it, but they would work. Overall, I think those are pretty decent shoes. They look great, they feel good, and above all, they're comfortable. What else should you want or expect in slippers. Basically that's what it is. One of the more comfortable slippers that you can wear for your needs. And they feel good and they look great too. So out of the scale of 1 to 10, I give this probably a 9 because they are pretty good. I like the style, I like the looks, and I just like how it feels. Nothing more to complain about. There was actually, I would say, no negatives about the shoes whatsoever. They were designed really well.